Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus volume problems look intimidating, but we can solve this specific cross-section challenge in under 60 seconds by following 3 simple steps. Let us go now. The side length of each square cross-section is the vertical distance between the upper curve and the lower line. Subtract the lower function from the upper function to define this. Since each cross-section is a square, its area is simply the side length squared. This expression represents the area of a single slice at any given x-coordinate along the base. To find the total volume, we integrate the area function across the entire interval from 0 to 12. This summation of cross-sectional areas gives us the final volume expression today. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Avoid dropping the pi factor. Always remember to square the side and integrate the area.